Have you ever been curious about heat transfer vinyl, but maybe you didn't quite know where to start? Why not start with one of the best HTV brands out there with over 40 years of experience? I'm talking about Siser. This guide is going to concisely cover what HTV is, why to choose Siser, and we're also going to go over the nitty-gritty of each and every one of their HTV lines. And to help me out, I brought along a friend. I'm talking about Siser North America's Patrick Ali.
Well, thank you so much, Jared. Now, you're probably asking yourself, who is Siser and why do we make HTV? But first, the most important question is, what is heat transfer vinyl? Here at Siser, we've been a company since 1970, creating the highest quality heat transfer vinyls and materials across the industry. And with that decade and decades and decades of knowledge, we've been able to deliver some of the most advanced technologies in heat transfer vinyl, as well as some of the best products that you use today. Now, what is heat transfer vinyl? Heat transfer vinyl is simply a heat transferable skin that has an adhesive coating on the bottom side that will absorb into the fabrics or the grain of a substrate or a garment that allows you to have a smooth colored finish, whether you're using a cuttable heat transfer vinyl like an EasyWeed or a glitter, or you're using a printable vinyl such as an EasyColor DTV or direct to vinyl product. So, easy products. How are they easy? Well, let's start with EasyWeed as an example. As one of our baselines of material, EasyWeed is fast and consistent with things like utilizing the 1-second tack to release that adhesive quickly so that you can layer multiple layers together. Now, you're looking for other lines, but you love EasyWeed, you're definitely gonna love the other EasyWeed lines that we have available, like EasyWeed Electric, which gives you an electric charge finish. EasyWeed Fluorescent, so you're always glowing no matter what the occasion. And you're free to utilize these to your liking in any of your designs. Now, some notable specialty EasyWeed lines to consider. Extra is best for nylon type materials, or in some cases that backpack material that you're using every day. EasyWeed Subblock is ideal for those dye-sublimated fabrics like those that you see in gym wear, as well as the sports industry itself. Now, there's EasyWeed Adhesive, which is designed for screen print and craft foils to give you a beautiful design. And if you're looking for time, temperature, and pressure settings, look no further, because the EasyWeed line applies at 305 to 310 degrees for 10 to 15 seconds. Now, to talk about some of the other EasyWeed lines, you have things like Easy Patterns, which gives you a full pattern fill in your design. And if you're looking for a 3-dimensional rounded type design, Easy Puff has you covered. So if you're looking for an opportunity to go out at night and do those late night runs, but you want to make sure that you're seen by the public out there, Easy Reflective has you covered. Now, that's not to forget about the brand new line that we have here at Siser, which is our Easy Glow in the Dark, which comes in 5 neon colors, as well as an additional color that is a standard white finish that gives you a beautiful glow in the nighttime. So single color cuttable designs aren't your thing. That's okay. We have you covered with one of our best easy lines that we have, which is our EasyColor DTV. It gives you the ability to have a full color print utilizing just a home desktop printer. So no more having to spend a lot of money on massive machines to be able to produce some of your goods. We can do this from the start of our own home, in the comfort of our own home, with EasyColor DTV. So, glitter, twinkle, and sparkle. Why are all 3 of these different, and what do all 3 of these mean? Depending on your application type, glitter is a great option, which is essentially an EasyWeed with glitter flake flaked on top of the material. Now, to note, if we're utilizing this type of material for, say, a sports team, understand that there is some rigidity and there's some abrasion in the material. That may be the best option to go with Sparkle, which is another glitter line here we carry at Siser, available at heatpressnation.com, where it's essentially that same EasyWeed with glitter flakes actually baked and embedded into the material. So we've taken the rigidity, we've taken the roughness out of the material to still allow you to have a beautiful shine no matter what the occasion. Now, if you're a night person like me, one of the greatest glitter lines that we have is Twinkle. Not only does this material have glitter flake embedded inside of the material, also has reflective flakes embedded in the material with a silicone receptive coating over top to really tie this material in. So whether you're a glitter, a twinkle, or a sparkle user, we love to see what you come up with next with this great line of glitter HTVs. Now you have multi-layers to your design. It's important to note that if you're using a glitter or a Twinkle heat transfer vinyl, to utilize the fake layering technique or the knockout method with your material. But have no fear, if you're looking to layer on top of layer and maybe the knockout method isn't your thing, Sparkle has you covered, as it is a glitter line here at Siser North America that you can pick up at Heat Press Nation that allows you to layer after layer every single time, giving you a well-rounded, beautiful design with your next project. So you're telling yourself, Patrick, I want to shine bright like a diamond with my projects. Well, have no fear. We have you covered with 3 of the best materials in the industry to have you sparkling and shining beautifully every single time. And that is in our holographic HTV, our Aurora HTV, and our metal HTV. Now, the 3 of these are a little different in the way that they operate. The holographic HTV is a cross-dimensional product that has all of these little reflective holographic flakes embedded in the material to give you a beautiful, beautiful color shifting design, but also making sure that you stand out in a crowd. Now for the Aurora, it is an awesome material. It is a fabric woven feel material that has an iridescent look built into the material. So no matter what type of garment that you're applying to, it may change slightly the color or the outcome of your design, which is absolutely awesome. Now for all my metalheads out there, don't worry, we got you covered as well. Siser has a line of metal HTV with a few beautiful colors and beautiful finishes. With the Siser metal line of material, you are sure to rock on for years and years to come with the same durability and the same quality that you get with all Siser materials, just met into that metal finish. So you want a pop-out design. You want something that's more dimension than just a flat design on a shirt. Well, listen, Brick 600 is your go-to material when it comes to really allowing that material to shine and that design to shine through in your design every time. With the Brick 600 and having multiple color options to choose from, our standard material in say like an EasyWeed is about 80 to 90 microns thick. Well, Brick 600 is a whopping 600 microns thick. So not only does it work great as a standalone product, mixing that with a product like an EasyWeed stretch is gonna give you a beautiful embossed look to your next design. Now, for any of my fabric people out there, we got you covered with a suede soft-like finish in our StripFlock Pro heat transfer vinyl. With multiple colors and a fabric-like finish and feel to the material, you're sure to have those executives and those corporate offices that you're making all of these designs for absolutely floored when they see what you're able to come up with the intricacy that you can get and the dimension and the feel of StripFlock Pro. So make sure that you head over to heatpressnation.com and pick some of this up today for your next project. Alrighty, those of you that are looking to organize their lives just like I am, BlackBoard has you covered with an HTV that allows you to physically write with chalk. So now you can not only give a hello, my name is sign, but you can make sure that you're personalized, utilizing some fun, creative ways. So if you're looking for physical samples through, say, the color guide or a pizza box, those are all available at heatpressnation.com, where you can pick up these materials today.
Thank you once again to Patrick Ali for sharing from your deep wealth of knowledge on all things Siser. And to you watching this, hopefully by getting all this information, you now have a great stepping stone to get started with on your journey with heat transfer vinyl. Don't forget, you can always visit heatpressnation.com if you'd like to browse through our large catalog of Siser materials. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 800-215-0894.